Today we are going to show you how to unbox and set up the Opti-Myst ProBox heat accessory. Step 1 is to open the box, remove the ProBox and all of the accessories. We suggest you find a friend to help with this part. It's a lot easier with 2 people. Next, you will install the 4 brackets on the sides near the front like so. Be sure to leave the cardboard inside the unit. This will help prevent it from getting scratched when you install the Opti-Myst Pro cassette. Be sure to note which side has the heat exhaust. A quick note, the holes in the bottom of the unit are used to run water and power lines to the cassette. Next, we'll unbox the cassette. For a more detailed view of this, check out our video. Next up, you'll need to prepare your ProBox to be hardwired. In the back left corner of the unit, locate and remove the electrical cover plate by removing the 2 securing screws. Pull the wires out of the compartment. In the bottom of the wiring compartment are 2 additional screws you'll need to remove. This will allow you to pull the bottom of the wiring compartment out of the unit as shown. Use a screwdriver to remove the second knockout from the wiring compartment plate. Next, bring your supply cables into the cassette and secure them using a cable clamp. Now you'll bring in the power cables from the ProBox itself and secure them using a second cable clamp. The 3 black wires get connected to each other with a wire connector. So do the 3 white wires. Last, connect the green and yellow cables to the bare copper ground supply wire. Pull on all connections to make sure they're secure. Pull the black and red wire through the back of the wiring compartment. Then plug it into the connection below the black cord on the inside of the ProBox. Once those connections are made, reinstall the wiring compartment plate and cover. Next, we're going to put the cassette into the ProBox. Before we do, take note of these brackets on the bottom of the ProBox. Make sure no cords or cables are between the bracket and the cassette. Make sure the tethered controller is firmly attached and then place it behind the cassette. Secure the cassette to the ProBox using the built-in screws on the inside of the cassette. Be sure to install the cover plate that came with the ProBox, not the cassette, or there will be a gap between the plate and the outside of the ProBox. Now you can remove the cardboard from inside the ProBox. Install the 4 posts that will be used to hang the glass front. Last up, we're going to attach the glass cover to the ProBox. You can also remove the back panel from the ProBox to see the flames from both sides. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our videos on plumbing options, spacers and media, and other features of the Opti-Myst Pro series.